you see every in the news, oh, founders raising 3 million, founders raised X million, founders are doing parties. That is only, I think, the top 5 or 6% of the founders. 95% people are struggling.
When you are working for any individual, the objective and the outcomes are very clear. But when you are into your own journey, so the outcome is not guaranteed, it's never guaranteed.
Always see yourself as an entrepreneur, or was this an unexpected turn of events?
And I think until August 2023, I believe jobs is the way to go. Like, constant source of income coming in, cash flow coming in.
I admired the profession of teaching, but during pandemic, I had to relocate to my native town. My parents, we lost few of the family members to that pandemic.
Education, yes, very important to shape a person.
Yes.
बच्चों को बचपन से पढ़ाना चाहिए कि भाई कैश फ्लो का मतलब क्या होता है, रेवेन्यू का मतलब क्या होता है, प्रॉफिट का मतलब क्या होता है.
How do you handle your mental health?
So mental health, particularly in India, we are not, we don't speak much about it, and we don't realize that what, we are going through it.
Started also showing up in my personal कि मेरे क्लाइंट को मैंने डांट दिया. ये जो मुझे पैसा दे रहा है मैंने उसको ही डांट दिया.
तो why would you not go to a 9 to 5 job जिसमें आराम से पैसे वैसे मिल रहे हैं, टाइम से क्रेडिट हो रही है सैलरी 31st को?
But if given a choice कि you are getting X and probably you are getting X by 2 here, right? I would still take X by 2 on an entrepreneur's journey than take X in a 9 to 5 job, because X by 2 I'm working for myself, and the second thing is I control all my choices.
It's one dream project you'd bring in life.
Currently, we are doing an inclusive school for specially able children. I would want to repeat that into almost all the zones, if not in all the cities.
What's a mindset shift that you had to make to handle these challenges? सक्सेस सिर्फ नंबर से नहीं और ग्रोथ सिर्फ बिजनेस से नहीं होती. नमस्ते, वेलकम टू डॉग डायरीज. आज का एपिसोड उन लोगों के लिए है जो एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं बल्कि एक बेटर वर्जन ऑफ देमसेल्व्स बनना चाहते हैं. आज हम सीखेंगे हसल्स, फेलियर्स और लेसन्स जो हमें सिर्फ लाइफ सिखा सकती है. क्या होता है जब पर्सनल स्ट्रगल्स और प्रोफेशनल चैलेंजेस हमें एक साथ मिलते हैं, और ये होता है एक एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी में. तो इसी बात पे लेट्स वेलकम गुंजन एंड सिद्धार्थ, two entrepreneurs on this show on Dog Diaries. Welcome Gunjan and Siddharth on Dog Diaries. It's a pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, so without wasting any time, let's start with the questions, right? So now what I'll do, let me explain it to you. I'm going to ask one question to each of you to explore your entrepreneur journey and how your entrepreneur journey has led you to develop your professional growth as well as has influenced your personal growth also. Perfect? Okay. The first question, Siddharth, is to you. So beyond your entrepreneurial aura, who would you describe, how would you describe yourself as?
Okay, so the first thing I would describe myself as would be a father, then a husband, then a son, and then obviously I have a lot of hobbies and passion. I used to play professional cricket before an injury sidelined me, and in between I also picked up gardening as a hobby. I mean, it's balcony gardening, not actual gardening, but balcony gardening. And I also like to tinker around with a lot of stuff. Like I like to repair electronics, I like to do stuff. Although those electronics don't end up working, but still.
Right. And Gunjan, how would your relatives, friends, and the people around you describe you in just 3 words?
So, friends, of course, they would just consider me very hardworking. And then they would also consider me a person who has a lot of dignity and honesty, and always by their side, and they can count me as a person who will be always sticking to their side.
Nice, very nice. So, Siddharth, the next one is for you. So, tell me about your childhood experience that has shaped your personality and values.
So it is not one childhood experience, like never had one major inflection point as such. There were multiple such, incidents in my life that has happened. So
Why are you looking so sad today?
I'm not looking sad, I can laugh.
Yes, so this is a very
So-
simple question. You don't have to be very sad while
No, I'm not
answering
sad.
it.
I'm trying to remember. When I try to
Yes.
remember, I have to force myself to remember.
Right. Yes.
So not one experience, multiple experiences have shaped my values and this thing. I think one of the earliest experience I can remember is getting lost on Marina Beach, which is in Chennai, which at that time, and this is way back when I was probably 4 or 5 years old. So this is around 35 years back. And that time Marina Beach was not as well guarded or as well protected as it is today. And it was obviously crowded. So as a kid, I got lost. I got separated from my family. And I think a couple took me and they waited near the entrance and they helped me find my family again. So I think that has shaped a very big part of me, that you should be helpful for others. You should try to help as much as possible. And the inherent trust that humanity is there to do good. Like people are there to do good for you rather than anything else. I think one of the earliest memories, I had a lot of such experiences in my life.
So I also had a similar experience.
जैसे आप जो कह रहे हो ना कि this
हाँ,
experience
तो
has given me something.
yes, so the fear of losing your dearest one, because she was more than a sister to me. I was the one taking care of her. So the fear of losing her and just feeling not responsible at the tender stage. So all of these things were constant. In fact, when I went to school also later on, during the lunch break, I used to bring her to my classroom. वो मेरे साथ ही lunch खाती थी. I was so scared
Very
of losing
possessive
her.
and yeah,
Very
scared.
possessive,
Yeah.
yes. So that happened, and this feeling continued. So now I'm a mother, I'm a teacher also. But when there are my students, when there are my kids, and anybody, I am quite, positively reinforced about the
कि
safety.
दोबारा नहीं
हाँ,
खोना चाहिए.
and it has, shaped me that way.
Understood.
Ki you are responsible. If somebody is,
And this
giving
has
that
this has
guardianship
been
to you,
yeah, this
you
has
have to be
been
there.
Trevor, that actually I would not say Trevor's. This you have imbibed in your journey
Yeah,
also
yeah.
as your personal and professional.
Yes, yes, a lot. So being a teacher, then a mother, and then right now my, fellow colleagues, they travel with me to, I'm an architect, so we travel to a lot of, places which are quite distinct. तो शाम से पहले वो घर पहुंच जाए, I will just keep, sending a mail that do send me a call after, mail after going and, being in your hostel
So
also.
even to your colleagues and to
Yes,
your
yes,
peers,
yes.
yeah.
That feeling that you have to be responsible, you have
For
to be
everything.
there, that
Understood.
has stayed.
Understood. Now, again, one more question which I have in mind is, did you always see yourself as an entrepreneur? We'll come out from the personal thing and come into the professional part, because we'll be just jumbling both together. Did you always see yourself as an entrepreneur, or was this an unexpected turn of events?
No, not at all entrepreneur. I just, always cherished how my father taught in college. So I always wanted to be a teacher, but there are series of events, this and that. So yes, the
Yeah.
journey started during pandemic, there was a need, and I thought my skill set would fulfill that need.
Right.
So I just
So we will go into that
jumped
in
into
depth.
that scenario.
Oh, so it was not by choice.
Yeah,
It was just, we'll discuss that later.
the right
Right.
moment to
Right.
start
Understood.
something.
Now, to both of you, I have one very interesting question, which is the sole question for me to start, not to start, to continue this conversation. So, Siddharth, tell us about your company and its values. Yes, you can tell us and the audience कि क्या है आपकी कंपनी जो उनको समझ में आए, हाई फंडू वर्ड्स में नहीं.
So think of us as people who help put your brand out, and we do this for companies which sell to businesses. So we don't do this for companies like Zepto, Swiggy, or whatever. We do this for companies like
क्या नाम है
IBM.
आपके कंपनी का?
My company's name is Yellow Kite.
Okay.
Yellow because yellow is a very nostalgia color. Kite because as kids we always had this dream of flying a kite. Every kid has the desire of flying a kite. So sort of like giving you a very, so when you think of yellow kite, it sort of like gives you a very open area in your mind. You're thinking of flying a kite, so it gives you a nice feel. So we chose the word yellow kite.
करते क्या हैं आप इसमें?
So we basically help companies that sell to other businesses. We help them market online. So the ads you see on Google, the ads you see on LinkedIn, the ads when you type in Google and you search for any say stuff like how do I software for shooting, software for editing, all those softwares you have to make sure my company names come up in front. So if somebody wants to come up in those words,
Understood.
so I help them do that.
Okay. And when did you start Yellow Kite?
So we started this around now a year and a half back, 2023 August, and again, like I would say, not by choice, not that I was planning to be an entrepreneur. I at that moment felt that was the right thing to do.
तुम लोग दोनों ही ऐसे ही हो, but not by choice. Right.
So before that, I've been in a job for the last 15 years, and I think until August 2023, I believe jobs is the way to go. Like, constant source of income coming in, cash flow coming in. And I've always been a person, I don't know whether it's in my genes or whether it is something, I've always been a person who's always very careful about cash flow. So I need to have a certain cash flow coming in, because then that puts my mind at ease. Like, फिर दिमाग में शांति होती है कि हाँ cash flow आ रहा है, टेंशन नहीं, otherwise टेंशन हो जाती थी. But August 2023, I thought that's the right time to start. And maybe we'll discuss this later, but a lot of changes happen because you're not, I mean, both of you are entrepreneurs in your own right. So you will understand this when the cash flow doesn't happen at a constant time. Cash flow happens in one go, and then there is expenses, and there are cash flows coming in. So wo feeling was very new to me. I was not used to that feeling at all.
Understood.
So I mean,
Yeah, we'll discuss that going
Yeah.
forward. Yes, Gunjan, tell me about your company.
So रोटी कपड़ा मकान, हम मकान वाले हैं.
Nice way to put it, मकान
So-
वाले हैं.
So we have an architectural firm called Anandam Design. Me and Akshay, we are the partners. And we design building, all kind of building, be it residential, commercial, school, colleges, sustainable building, vulnerable building, any kind of building. So we design the build spaces.
Oh, and you are located in Bangalore only or Pan India?
We are doing Pan India project, but the head office is in Bangalore. We have 2 other sister offices, one in Jharkhand and one in Bihar as well.
Okay. And when did you start this company with your founder? Co-founder, I would say. Yeah.
It's a very interesting story, but to cut down short, I admired the profession of teaching, but during pandemic, I had to relocate to my native town. My parents, we lost few of the family members to that pandemic. So I wanted to be with my family, and it was not possible to do a job in Gurgaon at that time. Teaching me, although the class were happening online, but you had to, do those class in studios, recording there in the college itself. So that was not possible choice for us at that time. So we started. But the journey of designing, if you are a lawyer or architect or a policeman, तो घर वाले आते हैं भाई मेरा नक्शा बना दो, तो वो तो जर्नी कॉलेज से शुरू हो गया था. तो फ्री फंड में तो काम हम कर ही रहे थे, बट उसमें मौका मिल गया कि एक बार इसको फुल जोश से देखते हैं, व्हाई नॉट, लेट्स स्टार्ट. एंड वी गॉट अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्कूल प्रोजेक्ट. सो फिर शुरू करें. And before academic, I was into a corporate field for good 5 years. So we had done a lot of school projects, national, international, which had won a lot of awards. So the idea was that if we could implement those ideas in big cities like Delhi Mumbai or Bangalore, why not to implement in small cities in West Bengal, in Ranchi, or in Patna or so. We are doing it now, and people, they enjoy the fact that the whole structure of doing those luxury end buildings or a building which has a impact can be implemented in tier 4 and tier 5 cities as well. So the impact can be seen in
More
those.
deep diving into it. So also just wanted to ask you also one question is, what was the one personal transformation that you observed in yourself after starting your company? Anandam.
Anandam,
Right.
Anandam, blissful.
Yes.
We thought of all kind of names, space matter and this and that, lot of creative
So what was the
architects.
personal transformation you had after you started, not the professional part of it?
Lot actually, but one thing that I would like to emphasize, that when you are working for any individual, there is a dedicated goal, and you go and focus into those things, right? So the objective and the outcomes are very clear. But when you are into your own journey, so the outcome is not guaranteed, it's never guaranteed. So I was a very result oriented, goal oriented, outcome oriented person. That shift happened. So now I can enjoy the process also,
So
the
that
payment
has
getting delayed.
flown down into your personal journey also.
Yes, yes. The process, I've started enjoying that. I don't wait for the result. Even if the
बच्चों के साथ
result
भी
is,
ऐसे ही करते हो?
हाँ, मतलब एग्जामिनेशन में रिजल्ट के लिए वेट नहीं करते.
वही
They
बोलने
have put
वाली
their
थी
effort.
मैं.
हो जाएगा. रिजल्ट तो हम नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकते.
Yes, Siddharth, do you agree?
I'm like, it's her transformation. Her
No,
journey.
I'm asking, no, yeah, you should wait. I'm not saying you agree with the transformation. I said, do you agree with the thought process what she has?
I'm like, I believe every entrepreneur, I mean, every founder, every person who starts their own stuff, they go through their own journey. And some people have their strengths and some people have their weaknesses. Every journey of a founder takes them through their strengths and through their weaknesses.
How has this impacted your personal relationship being an entrepreneur?
So I think it has been very hard for my wife, to be very fair, because I had to leave, like, almost like growing a baby. So everything is equivalent to growing, like nurturing a baby. And my kid is 9 years old. So when he was a baby, we were all dedicated and focusing and making sure that वो होता नहीं कि नया कोई आ गया है उसको ध्यान से रखना है, इट्स अ फ्रेजाइल थिंग एंड नोबडी टीचेस यू पेरेंटिंग. कोई और मैनुअल भी नहीं है कि हाँ ऐसे करो, स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, स्टेप 3. So I mean, same thing with the business. Like nobody tells you what can happen. So first when I started, it was okay. It was like very easy. First 2 clients were easy. And then when you want to, like, when you get your 4th client, 5th client, and then suddenly there is work pressure. Then you are staying up awake till night 1 o'clock. You are getting up at 6 and running away. You are doing this. So the entire managing the household, managing the kid fell onto my wife. So, and then obviously, being a founder is not only very, and you see in the news, oh, founders raising 3 million, founders raised X million, founders are doing parties. That is only, I think, the top 5 or 6% of the founders. Not even the cream. I mean, they are the top 5% who probably got lucky at the right place at the right time, at the right pedigree, whatever. They are the cream or not the cream, that is a very different question. But those are they are the 5%. 95% people are struggling. They are struggling to run their business. They are struggling to find a growth output. They are struggling to scale their businesses. अभी वो 95% उनकी लाइफ में बहुत स्ट्रगल होता है. Now they have a personal struggle, they have professional struggle, and sometimes the professional struggle obviously will flow into your personal struggles. So understanding what is professional and what is personal and making sure कि वो overflow ना करे, कि your stress at your professional space should never flow into your personal space, and you should keep that away. Like how much.
Did you manage to do that?
I was very bad at it for at least a good 8 to 10 months.
देखो गुंजन हंस रही है.
Oh, I think she can relate. I mean,
That is the question that everybody asks. How do you balance the personal space and the professional
it's
space?
very difficult.
It's not
Yeah.
possible. Like
There's no straight line. There's no black and white area.
आप
Yeah.
बोलोगे घर जाके मैं प्रोफेशन को बंद कर दूंगा और पर्सनल, that doesn't happen. If there is a call from a client, you have to take.
office. It's like one
And फिर you are going, there is a party planned for your kid and all,
Yeah.
everybody's there, and then you have a major call to take. You have to go.
Yeah, you have to run away.
So
And
balance is not
understood.
possible.
So now, in both of your journeys and other entrepreneurs' journey, there's always been a moment of doubt. कि ओहो मैंने चालू कर लिया, ओहो नहीं करना चाहिए था, अब वापस जॉब में चले जाते हैं. So you both must have had that moment of doubt.
Every day 7:30 AM. Every single day.
कि वापस जॉब ज्वाइन करना है मुझे.
नहीं मतलब जॉब मिल जाए तो कितना अच्छा होता.
तो लेकिन फिर क्यों हो आप इसमें, वो हम आगे करेंगे बाद में. So you also had that moment of doubt, Gunjan?
I'll just sing is not the right thing. I'll just recite a poem. My husband, he keeps sharing beautiful poems. और हिंदी इज़ अ फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज, तो हम काफ़ी सारी कहानियाँ और किताबों में और कविताओं में कुछ तो ढूंढते हैं कि कुछ मोटिवेशन हमें मिल जाए. एक कवि है, उनका नाम है शिव मंगल सुमन. उन्होंने एक पंक्ति लिखा है, बीच में मैं बीच के 3-4 लाइन बोलूँगी. सो इट्स लाइक दिस कि क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में. क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में. यह भी सही वह भी सही, कर्तव्य पथ में जो मिला यह भी सही वह भी सही. वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं, हार मांगूंगा नहीं.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
I'll not ask for any kind of favor, neither from the universe nor for anyone. It's my कर्तव्य पथ.
But I'll not lose.
We'll see क्या
Yeah.
होगा, कभी मिलेगा कभी नहीं
नहीं.
मिलेगा.
Absolutely, you summed it up so beautifully.
And it's a very beautifully written poem. It's just the 2 lines that I've recited. It summarizes when you're in doubt ना, तो वो क्लियर करता है कि ठीक है, नहीं मिला, अब क्या कर सकते हैं, नहीं मिला तो चलते हैं ना.
हाँ, but we'll not give up.
We will not give up.
Right. So also I need to ask you a question is, what's a mindset shift that you had to make to handle these challenges? Okay, you also.
It's a tough
My
one
God.
actually.
It is not a funny question, I think so.
It is a funny question.
It's not funny
Funny nature,
actually.
it's
Yes,
not
it
funny.
is actually a very difficult one,
Yeah.
But it's just the fact that
and it doesn't happen very organically.
Yeah,
If I
yeah.
say कि I just learn to manage my stress, it doesn't happen that way. होता नहीं है. किसी ना किसी के ऊपर निकलता है, या तो घर पे या फिर कॉलीग के ऊपर या फिर आपके सबसे क्लोजेस्ट ग्रुप के ऊपर. You cannot shout at your children or anybody, but जो आप जिससे सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करते हो ना,
लेकिन बच्चे से ही निकलता है सारा, तो
बच्चों
मेरा
पे
तो
तो
सारा
फिर भी
एंगर तो अपने बच्चे पे ही
प्रोटेक्ट
निकलता
कर
है.
लेते हैं कि उनको एक हद तक आप बोल सकते हो. बट जैसे माँ पे, आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू माई मदर, सो कुछ जब नहीं होता तो उन पे निकलता है कि
तो
क्यों नहीं रोका तुमने, यू न्यू, व्हाई डिड यू नॉट. सिमिलरली माई हस्बैंड, ही इज बीन माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑल्सो, तो निकलता है और मैनेज करना मुश्किल होता है. Thankfully, I went into this program called Happiness Program, Art of Living ka, and yes, it gave
helped you.
5-6 pointers that whatever it is, you should just concentrate on present and few other things. But that stayed. That particular thing stayed. 5 pointers were there, and that stayed for a long time. तो जब हम सोचते हैं ना उसके बारे में, हर दिन सोचते हैं, तो वो इम्पैक्ट छोड़ता है कि है ना,
True
कोई
that.
बात नहीं.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
thing will also pass, and there will be a better tomorrow which is waiting.
Very true. Agreed.
That continues.
And Siddharth, what you had to unlearn during your entrepreneurship journey so that your mindset also changes.
So I mean, like I told you, right? मेरा anxiety बहुत होती थी कैश फ्लो से. मेरा हमेशा रहता था कि मंथ के फर्स्ट सेकंड में इतना पैसा आना है, इतने पैसे से फिर ये होगा, घर का खर्चा इतना चलेगा, ये चलेगा, ये चलेगा. आई मीन टिपिकल मिडिल क्लास का मेंटालिटी होती है ना कि आई मीन ऑल ऑफ अस हैव ग्रोन अप इन मिडिल क्लास. तो हमारे इतना आएगा पैसा शुरू के मंथ में, ये हमारा खर्चा है, खर्चे के बाद सेविंग्स बचेगी, फिर उसके बाद ओवर एंड अबव वाला जो इंडल्जेंस वाला एक्सपीरियंस है. तो वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट थिंग्स आई हैड टू लेट गो ऑफ इन माय माइंड वाज कि money will come money will come linearly. Money doesn't come linearly. Money can come from different sources, and money cannot be earned only from one thing. So typically it was like, यार मेरा ये स्किल है, तो इस स्किल को ट्रेड करके मैं मनी कमाऊंगा. वो नहीं है. So you can also, the way to think about this is, ये मेरा स्किल है, इससे मैं कोई एसेट क्रिएट करता हूँ, वो एसेट जनरेट करता रहता है इनकम. The skill is used to make the asset better, and the asset is used to generate income. तो आपके वो 3-4 you have to like, वो मुझे पूरा समझना पड़ा, अनलर्न करना पड़ा. You have to learn more and more about how businesses generate money, how people generate money, and how to be and I'm a person who takes a lot of stress. I just love taking stress. मतलब अगर आप बोलते हो ना कि वो स्ट्रेस बॉल होती है ना, वो स्ट्रेस बॉल मैं हूँ. लाइक लोगों को उसको स्क्वीज करते हो ना, मैं वैसा हूँ. मैं लाइक आई एम द स्ट्रेस. पीपल गिव मी द स्ट्रेस एंड आई लव टेकिंग स्ट्रेस. मुझे स्ट्रेस लेना अच्छा भी लगता है. आई थिंक आई एम अ वो होता है ना, आई एम अ ग्लूटेन फॉर स्ट्रेस. लाइक वो दे दो, मुझे स्ट्रेस दे दो, मैं स्ट्रेस लूँगा। तो मैं अलग अलग तरीके से स्ट्रेस लेता हूँ। तो आई हैड टू लर्न टू लेट गो कि यार मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है, बिकॉज इट स्टार्टेड अफेक्टिंग माई पर्सनल लाइफ, स्टार्टेड ऑल्सो शोइंग अप इन माई पर्सनल, कि मेरे क्लाइंट को मैंने डांट दिया, ये जो मुझे पैसा दे रहा है मैंने उसको ही डांट दिया। तो माय क्लाइंट वाज लाइक क्या हो गया तुम्हें, आर यू ओके, डू यू नीड अ डॉक्टर, लाइक तुम्हारा चेहरा लाल हो गया। आई वाज लाइक ओह शिट नो आई एम सॉरी। तो you have to let go of the fact that you cannot control everything, and I love to control. Like I want everything to move कि अच्छा ये अगर मैंने बोला है तो ऐसे ही जाना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो जॉब में आपके साथ हो जाता है। आई कैन कंट्रोल अ लॉट एरियाज, बट इसमें लाइक बिजनेस में आप लॉट ऑफ वेरिएबल्स रहते हैं, तो आप वो सबको वेरिएबल्स को
So
कंट्रोल।
patience, which I can understand, both of you learned patience.
पेशेंस तो नहीं सीखी अभी तक प्रॉपर्ली।
It's a journey.
हाँ, मतलब कि आई वुड नॉट से दैट आई एम वेरी वेरी पेशेंट एंड आई एम ज़ेन एंड एकदम काम कि हाँ कुछ भी हो जाए आई एम लाइक वाटर, कि पत्थर भी फेंको तो कोई रिपल्स नहीं
फिर
आएंगे।
तो हेलो बन जाता।
हाँ
फिर तो हेलो बन जाता।
नहीं तो
Okay.
बट द बिगेस्ट थिंग जो मुझे लर्न करनी पड़ी वाज लाइक इट इज योर चॉइस, यू हैव टेकन दिस चॉइस, इट इज योर चॉइस। एंड देयर इज दिस पोएम, आई मीन गुंजन ने हिंदी में पोएम बोली थी, माय हिंदी इज नॉट दैट ग्रेट, तो मुझे अभी समझ में आ रही
अभी
है।
तुम्हें भी पोएम बोलनी है।
हाँ नहीं तो देयर इज दिस
ठीक है।
there is this snippet called the man in the arena.
Okay.
It's a snippet which says it doesn't matter who is cheering, it doesn't matter who is writing, it doesn't matter who's criticizing. All it matters is the person who's in the ring fighting. Okay, that's the man in the arena. It's a very
Wow,
it's a
nice.
it's a very
Yeah,
good
very
thing.
nice.
Which just says that if similar thing, right? कि you are on your part, your fight matters to you, and it is your fight. It doesn't matter next ring में कोई और लड़ रहा है, वो उसकी फाइट है।
Right.
तो इट डजंट मैटर, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर फाइट। आप वो नहीं देख सकते हो कि दूसरे की फाइट है, मेरी फाइट इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, उसकी फाइट ज़्यादा अच्छी है, वो अच्छी तरह लड़ रहा है, मैं अच्छी तरह नहीं लड़ रहा। डजंट मैटर, इट इज यू आर मैटर्ड बिकॉज यू आर फाइटिंग, दैट्स योर चॉइस।
Understood.
आपने चॉइस ली वो फाइट करने की, मत लेते।
Understood. So, yes,
You
you
know,
were
I
going to
would
say
like to add
something.
something.
Yeah.
Yes. We all have seen Friends series, na? When he was narrating, na, I have to control. तो ना मोनिका वाला जो था ना,
वो
वो जा रहा था कि कंट्रोल, यू नो, फ्रीक ये नहीं होना चाहिए। सो आई थिंक ना जर्नी
Yes,
फ्रॉम
yes.
मोनिका टू फीबी हो जाएगा,
हो जाएगा।
हो जाएगा। इवेंचुअली द आउटकम शुड बी हैप्पीनेस।
देखेंगे।
तो वो व्हेन ही वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली सेइंग ना, तो मोनिका डिस्प्ले हो रहा था, एंड देन कि हो जाएगा, देन द फीबी थिंग्स
Yes.
वी ऑल नरेट टू वन ऑफ द
Yes.
फ्रेंड्स कैरेक्टर,
Yeah,
and transition happens. We start from somebody and we end up being someone.
very 180 degree.
5% इसका, 10%
10%,
इसका,
हाँ।
6.
So, which
That-
generation do you guys belong to? Gen Millennium.
नहीं, अब ये सब नहीं पता, 85 born हूँ। मतलब कि इसे जिसको जो जनरेशन मानना है।
So, coming back, Gunjan, what was one risk that you remember that you took during your entrepreneur journey, and that, you know, it is something that you must have taken many risks, but it is that risk that you remember to date?
So my education happened in Delhi. College भी वहाँ से करी, romance भी वहीं पे किया. I met my husband also there.
Romance भी वही
सब कुछ दिल्ली से किया. Delhi, you know, that is one place which is very close to my heart. चाहे उसकी गर्मी, धूप, गंदगी जो भी बोल लो, loud and everything. आप सफदरजंग टूम भेज दो, या दिल्ली हार्ट भेज दो, या फिर इंडिया हैबिटेट सेंटर भेज दो, एवरीथिंग, यू नो, दैट इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. And I became mother also there. So shifting from Delhi to Bangalore was a very difficult decision for me, because we understood that when we started this journey of entrepreneurship, we understood that Lala company तो हम है नहीं, you know, we are a startup, right? We
Right.
intend to be at different places. And for that matter, of course, Delhi was not suitable. There were a lot of big people जहाँ हम एग्जिस्टेंस करने के लिए मिलता, बट टाइम लगता, यू नो.
And Bangalore was considered a entrepreneurial
हाँ,
hub.
तो आई ऑलवेज से ना कि दिल्ली तो एक्स होगा मेरा, मतलब ना वो सारी बेवकूफ़ियाँ, सारी स्टूपिड, हर कुछ, सारी स्टूपिडिटी, सारी मैडनेस, इट विल टेक इट, नो, इट्स दैट क्लोज. बट बैंगलोर इज़ लाइक अ बिग ब्रदर, यू नो, इट विल एम्ब्रेस मी. गलती है तो चलेगा ना. एंड देन देयर इज सो मच ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिज्म एंड पीपल आर सॉफ्ट. ट्रैफिक है, but still it embraces you in a unique way.
Right.
So maybe people who have stayed in Bangalore, they don't understand that thing, but since we moved from Delhi to here, we found that warmth. I found that warmth. So I was not very keen on moving to Bangalore. We had set up a deadline कि 6 महीना चल के देखते हैं, फिर देखेंगे. But 3 साल हो गया.
So that was the risk you remember.
Huge risk. मतलब leaving Delhi, मायके छोड़ना उतना difficult नहीं था जितना दिल्ली छोड़ना था. तो Yes,
Right.
but
So a
I
question to,
enjoyed.
yeah, very nice to hear that कि yeah, risk तो ली है हमने and that risk turned out to be, you know, a boon for you.
Journey, it's still we are
Still
continuing
you're continuing.
ourselves, but हाँ, Delhi was
Right.
like दोस्त है, friend है, teachers, everything is there, so it was easier there. But यहाँ पे the challenges are different and the acceptance is huge here.
Right. Right. Now coming to a question which I think both of you should answer is entrepreneurship is a very lonely journey. ठीक है? In this lonely journey, कभी कभी कोई एक ऐसा इंसान होता है जो एक ही इंसान होता है जिसको we look up to. मतलब अपने सारे दुख, अपने सारी चीजें उसी को बताते हैं. So who's that person in your life, Gunjan?
एक को तो नहीं सुना सकते, वो भी बोर हो जाते हैं, तो at different situation you have to
So being diplomatic
हाँ,
कि
कि
सबको equal share of डांट पड़ेगी.
और किसको क्या दे सकते हैं, data is so much. कहाँ कहाँ
But
dissipate
who do you
करें.
look up to during that time? कि एक इंसान को जिसका आप सुनते हो.
My sister, my younger sister. So I listen to her. She has a very unique way of saying कि रोंदुले बनने से तो चलेगा नहीं. She was very straightforward. The one whom I lost, जो बचपन में मैंने खो दिया था, and then I kept staggering her in my classroom ताकि फिर से ना खो जाए. तो माँ की तो सुनती नहीं हूँ, husband की तो बिल्कुल नहीं सुनती हूँ, लड़ लेती हूँ. But she puts little wisdom कि it's fine, you're on a journey. She's a doctor. She has seen every up and down. So she makes me believe that तुम्हारा share of hardship जो है, that is very minimalistic if you compare with the entire thing.
Right.
होता है ना, वो सटाक से ना आईना दिखाती है. She would not say कि मत रो, I'm there for you. She will not. She will make you feel कि यार इतना भी बच्चा बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. We are all facing something or the other thing. Let's move. Let's move.
Sort of.
साथ में चलो. I'll be there, but I would not be the one to give you a handkerchief to wipe your tear. It's fine. Everybody is
So your
crying.
sister.
Younger sister.
Younger sister. And what about you?
Again, like Gunjan said, na, मतलब कि not one person can be the recipient or the advisor, वरना फिर वो तो
Right.
बहुत problem हो जाती है. So I mean, so I divide it into two categories. Like if it's very personal, which I cannot share, obviously my wife. जैसे like Gunjan fights with her husband, I fight with my wife a lot. ये नहीं करना, यही करना है, ऐसा नहीं करना है, ये गलत क्या है, वो etc. And then she also hears me out, and then she also advises. But then I also have a group of friends who have zero bias against my business or for my business. उनको ये कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कल को मेरा बिजनेस बंद हो जाए या कल को मेरा बिजनेस 10 मिलियन भी कर ले, उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो उनको ये टेंशन, तो उनकी जो एडवाइस होती है इट इज़ फ्री फ्रॉम बायस. तो उसमें कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि लाइक गुंजन सेड, आईना तो छोड़ दो, दे आर जस्ट वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड ये तुमने बेवकूफ़ी करी है.
Understood.
तो वो आई मीन entrepreneurs need that, all founders need that, somebody to tell them कि तुम गलत हो या तुम सही हो, don't get muddled, yeah, something to just give you a very clear picture of what you have done, free from bias.
Right. And what is one belief of success that you had before your entrepreneur journey started, and now what is one belief of success जो पहले था और अब नहीं है?
I mean, ऐसा तो नहीं है कुछ कि जो पहले था कि बिलीफ है यही सक्सेस होगा, बट माई सक्सेस क्राइटेरिया वॉज डिफरेंट. माई सक्सेस क्राइटेरिया वॉज दैट आई शुड बी अर्निंग एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. नाउ मैं क्राइटेरिया इज कि इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट आई अर्न, it just matters that I should have fun and I should be able to run this business for a longer time. So it's become longevity compared to a certain number of financial number. So that's what's changed till now.
Right. Okay. And Gunjan, what is one failure that has shaped you what you are today? And did you have? I'm just asking you this question.
Multiple failures actually, not one. I would not say failure, I would say interaction that I had.
Or maybe a setback or sort of a thing.
Yes, setback I would recall. So when we started this entrepreneur journey, we interact with a lot of local, craftsmen and local vendors. तो एक मिस्त्री से बात कर रही थी, हमने एक डिज़ाइन इंटीरियर बनाया था एक डॉक्टर फैमिली के लिए, और उसने एक कोटेशन दिया था अपना फॉर रिक्वायर्ड सेट ऑफ वर्क, एंड इट वाज एस्केलेटेड टू, इफ इट्स एक्स अमाउंट देन इट वाज एस्केलेटेड टू 10x. तो मैंने पूछा, भाई साहब जो रेट है मार्केट का उसमें आप अपना 10% रखो ना, आप 10x कैसे कर सकते हो? सिंपल मिस्त्री, कारपेंटर, राइट. उसने बहुत प्यार से बोला कि मैडम मैं 2 करोड़ की तो पैकेज मेरी है, मैं तो सरकार को उसके ऊपर टैक्स देता हूँ, अनऑफिशियल में कितना कमाता हूँ वो रहने दो, मेरा यही रेट है, मैं नहीं करूँगा, आपको कराना है कराओ, नहीं तो मत कराओ. क्या रेट है क्या नहीं वो आप मुझे मत सिखाओ. So that was one setback, कि हम इतना पढ़ रहे हैं, architecture and then masters and then ये 10th fail बंदा confidence क्या है भाई, and he did not. And the best part was कि लोग पैसे देने को तैयार थे. So that was a moment of question कि आप जो कहते हैं ना formal education, informal education, मेरा learning ये था इस पूरे scenario से कि only education is not sufficient, hands-on learning is something very important. We focus so much into education. ऐसे लोग हो इस college से हो, ये criteria होना चाहिए. That is not the thing that we should focus on. Hands-on learning is something very, very unique, and it pays. If you have skilled one piece of skill, it will pay you to any amount, and people are ready.
Yeah,
that was one setback कि भाई degree अपने जगह है.
सीख लिया, फिर उसके बाद कुछ ज्यादा
सीखा कुछ सीखा
कारपेंटर से सीखा. ठीक. Okay, this question is very please don't take it literally what I'm going to ask you, but suppose if your company was to disappear tomorrow, what would you want the people to remember your company by?
So yes, I could say that there are a lot of architecture companies, and in this Insta age we see a lot of things flashing into our phone every day. But we provide a solution which is sustainable as well as contextual. So we try not to copy a building which has been done in Bangalore into Bihar or Delhi. तो context की हम बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं ना, कि जो चीज़ यहाँ है वो यहीं है, और जो वहाँ है वो वहीं है.
Right.
इससे क्या होता है? इससे दो चीज़ें होती है कि आप कुछ एक चीज़, it need not be a building, it can be a product also. Any person, they associate with the product.
Right.
Emotion connected होता है.
Right.
If I connect that person with that product emotionally, then it stays for a long time. And in a building, it's a generational thing. There is दादा भी रहते हैं, पिताजी भी रहते हैं, और बेटे भी रहते हैं. So we try to just create that contextual element in all of the designs.
So that is what you want to be remembered by, your
connection.
And what about you?
Some company which they have fun working with.
That's all you want them to remember?
Yeah.
Not that someone who
not
made
not
a
the
difference.
payments that they made to me, not anything else.
So you don't want them to remember by that you are a company, Yellow Kite is a company who could solve their problems as no one else could.
I'm not the only one solving those problems. There are multiple people solving those problems. Everyone is doing a good job.
So now, which brings me to another question. I'm sorry. One more is, how is Yellow Kite different than the other companies in the same arena?
So we are not different, to be very honest. We cannot be different. We provide marketing services. Other companies also provide marketing services. The only thing that we take care of doing is, and because we have more experience working on as a client, I used to lead marketing in a product companies. I have led demand generations across multiple geographies. So I know for a fact what I want from an agency, what I wanted from an agency. So I can put myself in my client's shoes. So, and the first thing the client wants is not a 1 year, 2 year, or a 3 year old person coming in working on their project, because that anyway they can only do it. They want someone experienced working. So we've done that very carefully at Yellow Kite, that the people that we hire and the people who work with the client are at least 10 to 12 years experience. So they don't get somebody who's in the market at 2 years, 3 years, which is you get with some agencies.
Right.
Again, there are other bigger agencies who have the same thought process. They do 10, 12 years experience. So as a matter of differentiation, we basically can hear the clients out. And when you go to large agencies, the biggest problem is that the person selling to you is not the person working on your project. They are two very different people. The one who sold to you is very nice. The one who's working is maybe a fresher, maybe somebody else. Yellow Kite, it doesn't happen. Whoever is talking to you in the first go will continue talking to you until your project ends.
Understood.
So that's how we want. But yeah, the most important thing is they should have fun working with us. This is what we happen. They should remember those moments.
They should remember you as that.
Yes, they should remember me as that.
बहुत सारा entrepreneur हो गया ना. थोड़ा सा मस्ती कर लेते हैं. So let's do a little rapid fire with you, Siddharth. So I'll be asking you around 5 questions, and you have to answer ASAP. दिमाग ही नहीं लगाना है. Right? Okay. One book that changed your mindset.
Twinkle.
A morning ritual you swear by.
Drinking water, the first thing.
One quality every entrepreneur must have.
Trusting others.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
A quote you live by.
Always be the man in the ring.
Always be the man. Good. Nice. And Gunjan, I want to ask you one it's not a rapid fire, but it is a what if question.
All right.
If you had to start from zero today, no network, no money, just your experience, what would be your first step?
I'll start telling stories and see, why is that experience?
Right. If you could trade places with any entrepreneur for a week, who would it be and why?
Oh, there are so many legendary people in my field. But rather than architecture, again, I'll just pick up any author. Personally, I'm a big fan of Ruskin Bond. Any day.
Any day you would like to
any
trade
day.
places
His house,
with
his
him.
place, everything.
Yeah, beautiful place he lives by in
Very
Shimla.
beautiful.
If you had unlimited resources, खूब सारा पैसा, what's one dream project you'd bring in life?
Oh, this is a very touchy one, and again, a lot of emotion. But of course, yes. So currently, we are doing an inclusive school for specially able children. I would want to repeat that into almost all the zones, if not in all the cities. Why only people in big cities, should deliver that kind of luxury? Luxury, not that kind of facility to the specially able children. That should be replicated everywhere, wheresoever possible. A prototype, if not each district, then at least major tier 2 or tier 3 cities.
Right. Very nice. Now I'm going to ask you one question. One will go for and one will go against.
All right.
Okay. Entrepreneurship is a painful journey. Who wants to take it for for?
against तो जा ही नहीं सकते हैं. It is always a
No,
pain.
one has to go against it.
I'll go against that. You
Okay.
can just go,
नहीं, you go for it. It's okay. आप देख लो.
Okay, let me decide this now. So please go for it. Okay. Entrepreneurship is a painful journey, Siddharth. Explain. School ke time, jam session.
So entrepreneur is a painful journey. Why should I do this also? Every morning you wake up at 7, you're like, why me? Why now? And why should I be doing this? You can just go out and do something else. So it is a painful process to a certain extent.
Yes, Gunjan.
the experience was same, but the moment I changed, outcome oriented, Nina, when it was process oriented, which
Right.
somehow has worked for me, it has become, easy to take the entire discomfort and everything, and you develop, you learn and you unwind yourself. And the aspiration that we had a year back, it also changes. So it's a huge learning experience that
So
happens.
it's not exactly a
Evolution.
painful. It is one part painful, but it is not that painful journey also. It is a journey of roller coaster, I would say.
It is, and
Yeah.
it's an evolution. So you should be, we never know what is happening next day. So if we can just, evolve through that process, it will
आज
reduce
अगर
the pain to
Yes.
some extent.
आज अगर मौका दें आप लोग को बोले कि ठीक है, I will reimburse all your cost and everything, and you can join a work back that is a 9 to 5, and you got a job, you don't have to struggle for it. Would you go for it?
No,
No.
Why?
Not at
not at all.
all.
Why?
I mean, multiple reasons.
क्यों? पैसे तो अभी भी ऐसे नहीं आ रहे कि जो हम टाटा बिरला बन गए हैं. तो
नहीं,
why would you not go to a 9 to 5 job जिसमें आराम से पैसे वैसे मिल रहे हैं, टाइम से क्रेडिट हो रही है सैलरी 31st को?
वही 7:30 AM to 8 AM, this is the discussion I have with myself, and 8 AM every day I decide कि नहीं यही करना है.
क्यों करना है?
The reason being because it teaches you a lot. A, B, it also a lot of fun doing it, like Gunjan said, right?
So
मतलब कि
पैसे का it's not a, but I heard you saying कि yes, it is a very, पैसे नहीं आते, हम
हाँ,
लोग पैसे
तो
के
वही-
लिए क्रिप कर रहे होते कि I have to save money, and now when I'm giving you money, I'm saying you'll get that money and we'll reimburse all your costs and I'll give you a job. Why will you not take that
वही
job?
मतलब कि वही ना, मतलब कि when I started my business, the first thing was financial, कि यार पैसे इतने कमाने चाहिए, इतना होना चाहिए, तभी हम business को सोचेंगे चलाने का नहीं. But as you go through, you are more focused on कि यार चलो, maybe money is not the criteria that you should be gunning for. You should have fun along the way and learning along the way, and you should also build something of your own. So I mean,
कब तक चलेगा ये जब तक पैसे नहीं आते रहे तो?
नहीं, सो आई मीन ऑब्वियसली सर्वाइवल के लिए तो पैसा चाहिए दुनिया में.
हाँ, तो नहीं
तो
आएगा
अगर
तो
नहीं
फिर
आएंगे तो फिर बंद कर देंगे, फिर कुछ और देखेंगे.
हाँ,
आई मीन
that-
बीइंग pragmatic about it is different.
right,
But if given a choice कि
yeah,
you are getting X and probably you're getting X by 2 here, right? I would still take X by 2 on an entrepreneur's journey than take X in a 9 to 5 job, because X by 2 I'm working for myself, and the second thing is I control all my choices. I mean,
yes, that is the point. I
the
think
job has a
yeah,
lot more unseen hidden variables that we are not aware of, like business का क्या चल रहा है, कौन क्या decision ले रहा है. You don't know those variables, so you are sort of in a cocoon जो आपको पता ही नहीं लगता है. In an entrepreneur आपके पास cocoon है ही नहीं, आपको पता है क्या हो रहा है. So you can take the choices and you can command your ship versus
understood.
this.
Agreed. Gunjan?
I'll put it very simply कि देखो, we nurture it like our own child, okay? अब बच्चा सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो तो छोड़ थोड़ी ना सकते यार. स्कूल चेंज करा देंगे ना, डायरेक्शन चेंज कर लेंगे. अब एक ही बच्चा ऐसा थोड़ी कि हर जगह ही फेल करेगा. I understand, we have a company and we are dedicated to one particular field, but there are so many similar things that are going around.
Right.
तो फिर सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ, नहीं कमाया है, जो भी नहीं करा तो हार तो नहीं मार सकते ना. बच्चा तो अपना ही है, उसे तो रखना ही पड़ेगा अपने पास.
Agreed.
जैसा भी हो हक करके रखेंगे, पिटाई कर देंगे, लेकिन रखना तो
अब
है.
अगर बच्चे के ऊपर आ गए तो फिर तो आप नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं.
बच्चे कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं,
So it's your
मतलब
baby.
ऑफ कोर्स. अब तो मुझे लगता है दो जो ओरिजिनल वाले हैं उससे ज़्यादा छोटा ये है.
Exactly.
This is the smallest one which needs more attention, more care and love.
Right. Very nice. Both of you explained it in a very different way, like Maggie and hot tomato sauce types, अलग ही था, मजा अलग था उनका. Good. Now again, I'll open this question to both of you is what are the most common mistakes people make when they start their entrepreneurial journey? Yes, Gunjan, we start with you.
So we start with an expectation, right? कि financial is one expectation, and then there are other kind of acknowledgement that we seek कि ये award मिल जाए, इस तरह से recognition मिल जाए and all. We would reach that place, certainly we'd reach that place, but again वो टाइमलाइन हमारे टाइमलाइन से, वो माइलस्टोन हमारे से वो मैच नहीं करेगा. एंड वी शुड बी रेडी फॉर दैट. दैट लीवरेज शुड बी गिवन कि वो तो मिलेगा. और सबसे फनी बात ये है ना कि जब वो मिल जाता है ना, then it's not that valuable at all. We were aiming
Mistake क्या करते हैं लोग entrepreneurs? That's what I'm trying to
तो you
understand.
become very impatient कि एक साल का ये हमारा होना चाहिए, उसके बाद 6 महीने के बाद ये होना चाहिए. We are hitting this target, we are getting this
So you're
award,
more
we are
of an
getting more
Excel person. You
recognition.
become an Excel person and you plan your Excel very meticulously.
That ideally doesn't work at
Yeah,
all.
I really doesn't work. Right.
So, इसीलिए
What about you?
I mean, I think a lot of founders make a mistake is they plan, like you said, they plan linearly and they plan everything is going to go in the same way. The world is not going to, I mean, nothing is going to change. Everything is going to be as it was, right? Corona हो गया था तो सबकी everything went for a toss, right? So, I mean, there are so many hidden variables. You can't plan for everything. And a lot of people spend so much time planning that they don't even take off. कि ये प्लान करते हैं, ऐसे करेंगे, हम इससे बात करेंगे, हम फिर ये करेंगे प्रोटोटाइप. आई मीन बाय द टाइम दे आर सो लेट टू द मार्केट कि वो पूरा जज्बा ही खत्म हो जाता है टाइप्स. तो आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ फाउंडर्स जस्ट नीड टू जस्ट एग्जीक्यूट. दे डोंट एग्जीक्यूट, दे स्ट्रेटेजाइज मोर देन एग्जीक्यूशन. तो वहाँ पे आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ फाउंडर्स मेक दैट मिस्टेक. द सेकंड मिस्टेक व्हिच आई आल्सो मेड इज नॉट लर्निंग कैश फ्लो, फाइनेंसेस बिफोर यू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस. वो सीखना इतना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ना. एंड आई थिंक दैट शुड बी अ कंपलसरी सब्जेक्ट इन ऑल द स्कूल्स. बच्चों को बचपन से पढ़ाना चाहिए कि भाई कैश फ्लो का मतलब क्या होता है, रेवेन्यू का मतलब क्या होता है, प्रॉफिट का मतलब क्या होता है. बिकॉज मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था एंड व्हेन आई एंडेड अप पेइंग माय फ्रीलांसिंग टीम एंड माय कंसल्टेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, तो मुझे पता कि ये तो तुमने पैसा कमाया ही नहीं. रेवेन्यू आ गया, पैसा कहाँ है?
हमें सिखाना चाहिए. वी शुड बी टॉट राइट फ्रॉम द अर्ली एज कि वो जो है ना, आप प्रॉफिट कितना बनाते हो, टर्नओवर क्या होता है, रेवेन्यू क्या होता है,
लाइक ग्रॉस मार्जिन, आपका साल का एंड का पीएनएल. All these used to be foreign terms when you're working in a job because like मेरी तो सैलरी आ गई, ये मेरा इनकम टैक्स भरना है. इनकम टैक्स में आप वेल वर्स हो जाते हो, बट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट अलग ही लेवल का होता है. और आपने कुछ खरीद लिया और फिर पता लगता है गवर्नमेंट ने आपको बोला टैक्स दो, और फिर तो मेरे पास तो पैसे ही नहीं अकाउंट में, टैक्स किससे दूं? किसका टैक्स दूं मैं?
राइट. आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि बहुत सारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स का मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज आके दे आर अटेम्प्टिंग सुसाइड, दे आर अंडर डिप्रेशन. So how do you guys tackle, and every entrepreneur, I'm not telling about you both only, I being an entrepreneur, at times depression does set in because of XYZ reasons, कि ये चीज़ नहीं हो रही, वो चीज़ नहीं हो रही. How do you handle your mental health?
ये नीचे क्या रखा है?
नीचे क्या रखा है?
इसे
This is
फोटो है.
yes. Another 5-10 minutes down the line, I will let you know what is this. These are something, you know, for people who come on our show.
अच्छा, ओके.
Yes.
हमें मिलेगा.
Yes, so let's come back to a very important question which we are discussing, and not this question. Ki, how
Mental
do you
health,
guys
you know,
handle
that
that? Agree?
हाँ, completely, 100%.
Any other point you want to
हाँ,
add?
मतलब कि I think coming back to a sort of Eastern philosophy, हमको we've been painted this picture कि संघर्ष करना ही पड़ेगा कुछ पाने के लिए. You have to struggle, and then there'll be a fruit at the end of it. Struggle is there, but it's not necessary that you should struggle all the time and just put yourself through struggle because there is an imaginary golden fruit at the end of the day. जरूरी नहीं है संघर्ष करना. हर चीज़ संघर्ष के साथ नहीं होती कि अच्छा मुझे सब्जी मंडी में सब्जी लानी, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि तुम 15 किलोमीटर पैदल चल के जाओगे, तुम कार से भी जा सकते हो. So you can choose smarter ways, you can choose better ways, and you should also know when it is affecting you. Being aware when it is affecting you, when it is affecting your output, when it is affecting your mood, and basically saying that कि यार मुझे नहीं अभी I need to step back from it a bit. तो वो I think people are not taught, and I think like Gunjan said, mental health के बारे में तो discussion होता ही नहीं इंडिया में. I mean even people who say कि अच्छा अभी I mean you know किसी को लगता है मैं डिप्रेस हो गया, सबसे पहले कहते हैं अरे क्या चलो आ जाओ ड्रिंक पीते. That's the most common thing.
अमीरों वाली बीमारी है. मिडिल क्लास को तो हो ही नहीं सकता. We don't have that luxury to be stressful or depressed.
Right. Understood. So coming to one more question which is very important, we as entrepreneurs, हम सारे तकलीफें, सारे प्रॉब्लम्स अपने अंदर ही ले लेते हैं, हम अपने फैमिली को कभी भी इन्वॉल्व नहीं करते इसमें. What do you have to say on this? कि should we talk about our problems to our family and close, not family तो close, near and dear ones, not friends, I would say family first. क्योंकि मैंने जितना देखा है कि क्यों ट्रबल करें इनको, हमारी प्रॉब्लम है हो जाएगी सॉल्व, अंदर ही अंदर करके then you house yourself as a disease house. So what do you have to say for it, Siddharth?
मैं तो सब कुछ अपनी वाइफ को बता देता हूँ. तो मेरी वाइफ को सब पता होता है क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल
फैमिली
रहा
की
है.
बात कर रही हूँ मैं,
हाँ.
वाइफ के अलावा भी लोग होते हैं दुनिया में.
नहीं so I mean so the goal is that you know whoever is with you most of the time and who is seeing you daily go through that grind can relate to you better.
Right.
Can much better relate to you because they're seeing what you're going through and they're seeing the struggle that is happening.
Right.
When I was at my job, I had a colleague and she was my
Yeah.
she
so a
was my
very close
confident.
friend, yeah.
She was my confident. So I would tell her everything what's going in my mind, what
So
is
that
happening.
means communication is important.
Communication is important and somebody who can see what you're going through.
Understood.
तो उसके लिए बहुत important रहता है. And right now since I'm working from home, my wife sees me working, so it's becomes she
Right.
becomes it.
Yeah.
तो वो होता है. And I think you should have someone that you can just tell whatever X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D to. Obviously, you are also right. No matter how much you want to share, there are some things that you cannot share. Like you will not be able to share. You will just think, "अरे why to trouble?
Right.
ये क्यों करना है?" तो that is again, think very personal choice, very thing.
And that's a very thin line between a grey line.
हाँ, मतलब you don't know sometimes कि whether you're sharing is right or wrong, whether you should have shared it before. वो सोचते रह जाते हैं, but ठीक है.
Yes, Gunjan, your thoughts?
देखो सब कुछ तो नहीं बोल सकते. That is one thing that you know कुछ आप confide करते हो, कुछ नहीं करते हो, and there's a very thin line to that. But हाँ, we should communicate, family, friends, if not anything else, at least write it down also. Otherwise, the suffering continues. You know, it's very difficult to detach yourself from the unpleasant event or expression that we had. So the practice should be followed in a very systematic way. If you're fortunate enough to have a family member, then why not? Of course. If not, friend, and even if that is not possible, तो कहीं लिख लो, कुछ गाने वाने सुन लो, कहीं
जर्नलिंग कर लो,
या
हाँ.
किक बॉक्सिंग कर लो जाके, कुछ तो करो यार.
हाँ, so
This
we should
reminds
do
me
that.
of an offsite which a company did, and they took the people to an axe throwing place in US. Like US में होता था ये axe throwing. So all the employees threw the axe right on target, and everyone was like, "Kya? Like how come?" And these are all software engineers. They're not played sports also.
Back to software engineer again.
They're like proper software engineers who have never played like heavy sports, everything. But the axe throwing is they just like threw it at the target, and everyone like, yeah, like how? Like, oh, we imagined your face.
ये मैकेनिकल वाले या सिविल वाले ना वो कर सकते हैं, बट सॉफ्टवेयर वालों को ना कॉलेज में भी ना दे ट्रीट देम कि हाँ ठीक है यार, थोड़े वो वाले टाइप के ना, वो डेलिकेट वाले हैं,
पिंटी डार्लिंग्स.
तो वो एक्स को थ्रो कर रहे हैं, दैट इज अंदर वो कुछ है, वो होना चाहिए कि किक बॉक्सिंग कर लो, कुछ शूटिंग एक्सरसाइज कर
I
लो.
agree.
Yeah,
There
so
should be places.
right. So Siddharth, if your journey were a book, what would be the chapter 1B of that book?
Laugh.
Got it. Very, very, symbolic, I think I would say. Yes, Gunjan, if you had to sum up your entrepreneur journey in one sentence, what would it be?
Again, the perfect thing that we desired for, it's very difficult to attain that. So
Right.
flexibility होना चाहिए.
Mm.
We should allow that imperfection, or not achieving the goal. We should not take it that seriously.
Right. Understood. And do you follow it
Yes, quite often.
to the core? Right.
Juniors को follow करने नहीं देती हूँ.
हाँ.
Make sure that the colleagues work hard to get that.
Right. So, yeah, it has been a very nice interaction, but it is not complete unless the one question which this show has to tell the audience and the young entrepreneurs. What is the advice that you both individually or jointly will want to give young entrepreneurs who have that ambition कि मुझे अपना business करना है at a particular age? Now you can even talk about कि किस age पे करना चाहिए. So what is the advice that you would like to give? Gunjan, start with that. Let's start with you.
See, if you're clear, if your vision is clear कि अपना काम करना है शुरू से ही, we have seen lot of मारवाड़ी families कि 16-17 साल में वो जाके गद्दी में बैठना शुरू कर देते हैं. Then you are very clear कि क्या करना है, नहीं करना है.
Right.
भाई पिताजी के गद्दी में खुद जाके बैठना है, बट कुछ अलग करना है. And if you're not sure, तो अपने आप को ना फेल होने का मौका दो. First time में it will not hit. So don't be that hard on yourself. It's all right to fail sometime.
Yes. Yes.
So I think I agree. Business families तो अलग होती है, and I'm not a part of business family. But if you are a middle class, coming from middle class, I think your parents influence who you are. So like my mom and dad have influenced me a lot. My dad with his work ethic, and my mom with making sure that everyone's. She's like this person who everyone can go talk to in the family. So you should tell them, and you should seek advice from them, because they are people who have seen. Like my mom is 36 years elder to me, my dad is 44 years elder to me. They have seen 44 more years of the world than me, and my mom has seen 36 more years of the world. So everyone's mom and everyone's father has seen X more years, right? So I think when you're starting off, just take them into confidence, tell them you're doing something, so that, they will not stop you. Nobody will ever stop you. But at least they'll give you some pieces of advice, and some of them might be antiquated, some of them might be outdated. But they'll have seen some pieces of advice, and the world doesn't actually really change.
Right.
The calling it out, the way it is working, maybe the new words come in, buzzwords come in, but the way the world works is still how it worked even very olden days also. So they'll give you some pieces of advice which you can refer back to when you are in a stressful point, when you are thinking through, when you're not able to think through clearly. So I think A, advice. B, also ensure that if you have a family, financially be very responsible. Do not let the love of entrepreneurship, because I see a lot of founders, especially kids, 26-year-old, 27-year-old, they fall into love with entrepreneurship, and after 3 years, they're like, okay, we give up, and they have not done. I mean, and that's a peak productivity time, right? Your body is mentally and physically very productive, so they should have done. I mean, they could have taken more and thought through this about their financial situation. They could have done better. So think about your financial situation. Take advice from your parents. Tell them what you're doing, and I think, and after that, just be the man in the ring.
Right. Yes. Nice to have you both on our show. And because you have come here, so I would rather, which you asked, कि क्या है? अब बताती हूँ. This is a small token of appreciation from Dog Diaries, Siddharth, for you.
Thank you
for
so
coming
much.
on the show.
Thank
And
you.
proud of you, because as an elder sister. And here, Gunjan,
Thank you so
this
much.
is for you. And people who come on our show, don't go empty-handed. This is very far away, so I had to pull it. So this is for you, Gunjan, a small
so
token of
much.
appreciation. Here, Siddharth, this is for you. I will give it to you.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you once again for being
Thank you
on
so
Dog
much.
Diaries.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yes. So, guys, today we were with Gunjan and Siddharth's entrepreneur journey. What did we learn from their entrepreneur journey was having patience, having courage, having belief in yourself, and never to give up. So, if you really like this episode, please share all your love on Dog Diaries and keep watching more episodes, because picture to abhi baki hai mere dost. Har Har Mahadev.